Reliable, uninterrupted power is fundamental to any organization working with critical applications. Poor power quality, inefficient energy distribution and power losses can cause downtime and safety issues. ABB Ability Energy Manager helps you with a variety of widgets for continuous monitoring and better utilization of power. UPS Monitor. You can see the main output or input voltage and current parameters of your UPS. And latest alarms with UPS Latest Alarms. You can monitor the real-time current, voltage, power values of the UPS with UPS Real-Time Current, UPS Real-Time Voltage, UPS Real-Time Power. UPS Battery Status visualizes the temperature and the battery charge level of UPS. UPS Events show all the events and latest events registered by the UPS connected to the site. UPS Peak Monitoring shows the output power of UPS in a certain period. UPS Status, list of status, alarms to monitor the actual condition of your asset. PDU Peak Monitoring, monitor trends of the power peaks for specific PDU devices on main feeding lines. With PDU Real-Time Currents, PDU Real-Time Voltage show the real-time current voltage values for each PDU connected to the site. This is in addition to widgets for continuous monitoring of your power conditioning systems. PCS Logs shows all the events and latest events registered by the PCS connected to the site. PCS Peak Monitoring monitor trends of the power peaks for specific PCS devices on main feeding lines. PCS Real-Time Currents, PCS Real-Time Voltages, PCS Real-Time Power show the real-time current, voltage, power values of the PCS connected to the site. Moreover, there are specific widgets related to assets providing arc flash mitigations. The widget Arc Guard shows the status, ongoing and previous events generated by your TVOC2. Trips generated by arc flashes can be identified by location of the detector and errors are presented for diagnostic purposes. Similarly, status of the sensor can be monitored. With ArcGuard CSU2, you can monitor the status of your current sensing unit CSU2 associated with the TVOC2, which identifies the current increase associated with an arc flash and enables it to trip based on both light and current input.